So next I want us to download resources. Let's just close some of this. We're no longer in need of this. And I want us to just visit the AdSense for All website. That's where I have all the resources uploaded for your ease of access. Provided you have your membership, you do not have a problem accessing some of these files. And if you notice, there's the menu called resources over here. So I just want you to click on it and you'll be brought to this page. And this is where you find every resource that you might be in need of following this course. So we have a lot of themes, there's something we call themes in WordPress, just like the way you have your phones and how some devices have the ability to change the way it looks, the colors, the icon settings, and all of that. That's the same concept of WordPress. Yeah. So for instance, this our website currently is using a theme. If you want any kind of theme that our website is using, I want us to just check, go back to appearance and then click on themes. Now we have the active theme 2022. So if I change this theme, for instance, let's say I activate the 2020 theme and then I reload our website, you notice, let's reload our website. Notice that it has changed. Let's try one more time. Let's try the 2021 theme. And let's reload again. Notice how we have a different look and feel of the website. So that's what theme does. It changes or modifies the appearance of your website. Yeah. So most of the themes that we have in our WordPress repositories are free. Free in the sense that you don't need money to pay for them. But then there are themes that are premium themes, or they can be called pro themes. These pro themes are sold and a license is issued to you. It could be for a website or for multiple websites. Because of my high usage of WordPress, I'm also a web designer. I have a lot of these themes available that I've bought. Yeah. And because you're a part of this course, I'll be giving it to you for free. You don't have to pay a dime for it. Yeah. And all of these resources right here in this resource page, they're worth over $250. That's a lot of money. So you get this for free, and every single resource over here we're going to use. So there are different themes. For instance, let's look at this Solidar theme. This is what it looks like. So if you want to preview the theme, just go ahead and click on preview, and then you're going to see the theme. It says the cost, it's about $59. So let's say we want to see some demos. So let's go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to see the demos that are accrued to this theme. So let's view demo, and then there are tons of demos that has been pre-made for you. Yeah, remember when I introduced the course to you, I told you that you're going to learn so much in a short time. Yeah, so it means that all the years of web design and experience, I'm boxing them to you in less than an hour for your knowledge, for you to just know what you need to know, make the money, and then cash out. That's the whole point of this course. So there are tons of demos that have been made. A demo is like a pre-made layout of a website. Yeah. So you could just select whatever demo that you are interested in, import it onto your domain name, and boom, you are set up. You are set up without stress, without hassle. So there are different themes over here. You can choose any. Right, most of them, they are free, so you could just download them and keep. Maybe later you want to change the looks and feel of your website, because we'll be definitely doing that. If you are interested in doing that later, you can always change. So for instance, if you're writing about food, for instance, this is a food theme for you. So everything food has been set, the layout, some of the content and images that you need has been set out for you. So all you have to do is just to install it, like I said earlier, and then start working, start writing, and boom, you're good to go. Now, bear in mind that I didn't focus so much on the looks and feel of the website. If you've noticed, I'm just working with something that is very easy, very minimalistic. because Google AdSense, they don't need so much of that. Remember that is the goal, right? In as much as we are learning so much, the final goal for us is for us to get approved by Google. So in order for us to do that, because of experience, they're not so much interested in how beautiful a website is, how nice your website is looking. No. What interests these inspectors are the content on your website. How genuine are they? How awesome are they? How easy is it for your website to be navigatable, if there's a word like that. So for instance, if I talk about navigations, if I click on this hamburger icon, you get to see some menus over here. So if I hover on this, you also get to see some of my categories, so which makes it easy for every user that visit my website to just easily know what they are looking for, see it, and then click on it. That's the whole point of why we even talked about permalink in our previous lesson. So it's best for us to understand that the entire looks and feel it's not the goal, it's not the end result. Because if one disadvantage of a website is if it's slow, so the higher content that you have on your website, like the images, like the CSS and all of the JavaScript, the more it's going to lag your website. And if your website is slow, it's a bad user experience. So now that you are just starting, just focus on a minimalistic approach. There's no need to aim so high. Let's just go at a very slow pace, and let's see where it's going to take us. The goal is money. The goal is money. One example that I could give you is Linda Ikeji's blog. So let's look at Linda Ikeji's blog. Linda Ikeji's blog. It's been a while since I've visited him, but let's just look at it. Now look at this website. Just look at it. Would you classify this as beautiful? No, it's not beautiful. But the amount of money that this website makes, nobody cares about beauty, my dear. The fact that your advertisements are showing, the fact that people are visiting your website, makes it awesome. And bear in mind that whatever it is I'm teaching you today, that's exactly how Linda Ikeji made it. So you are in for a big treat. So follow me just step by step. Don't rush yourself. Don't overhaul yourself. And let's see where we're going to go.